Hi. So around November last year, 2022, I was accepted into the Women Techmakers program. This is Google's program specifically to aid women so that they can thrive in technology. And I was accepted into the program, and I am building the very first Women Techmakers community in Western Uganda, and the very ninth in Uganda, and the very first one in Barala. So recently I received an onboarding swag kit from the Women Techmakers team, and I've decided to do the unboxing of this kit with you guys. So let me take you with me as I unbox this kit. I'm really excited. This is my very first swag kit from Women Techmakers, though it's the third kit from Google developers. So let's do this together. So this is the box. This is some nice kind of packaging, and I think this is a sheet that contains the details of all the items in the kit. I'm not really going to read this, given that I've already seen my name on the box. I just have to go ahead and open, because I really can't wait to see what is inside. I think this is where I have to open it from. First, welcome to the Women Techmakers Ambassador Program. We are so excited to have you on board as an ambassador. You are now part of a global community of leaders around the world who are creating impact in their tech communities. You can now proudly say that you have been a Women Techmakers Ambassador since 2022. We are here to support you as you educate, connect, and inspire your community, and we can't wait to see all that you will do. Together we are building a world where women can thrive in tech. The Women Techmakers team, this is really an interesting card. With some amazing message, and this is a t-shirt. This is exactly my size, and it's really in a nice color. This is a sticker. Women Techmakers stickers. I think I have a new sticker for my laptop, and this is a badge. This is a nice one. I think I have to always wear it each and every single day. For now, it has to be kept. And I think lastly it's this fleece blanket. Now, given that this is a rainy season, I think WTM really did a good role of giving me this, because I'm not going to feel cold whenever I'm doing my own things. And this is really a nice one. My sincere appreciation goes to the Women Techmakers team for taking their time to think about the new ambassadors and giving them onboarding swag kits. And to the WTM community, we really have a lot in store for you. We really have a lot as a new community coming up for you. And I hope whatever we are preparing for you benefits you all. Thank you so much for watching.